So what I want to talk about here is our patent pending glazing system. Now, the roof, it's quite common on a greenhouse, but the roofed glass on the inside, condensation will form potentially on the inside of the roof here due to heavy watering and so on, and different weather conditions. So when the condensation forms here, it can run straight down the inside of the glass and end up in the gutter. But the unique feature that is unique to us is the same fact that condensation can form on the inside of the side glass. Normally what happens is that condensation forms here and then it runs down over the timber sill and you can see staining and so on. But long term it's not good practice. So you've got to deal with this condensation. So we have a patent pending on that our glass sits on a clip system and it sits forward 2 millimeters from the rebate, creating an airspace around the glass. First of all, that keeps it dry, it keeps the rebate dry, but the condensation travels down here and it runs out onto the sill of the sash, which is beveled, and it runs it out. But the unique feature here is that on the outside, we have a aluminium glazing clip on the outside, or a glazing bead on the outside that just looks like putty and very traditional. Let me just show that to you. So you can see here that this is an aluminium bead that travels around the window. At the top, the glass slides up into a rebate, and at the bottom, it's held in with clips around. And those clips then, this aluminium bead is snapped onto the clip and leaving this beautiful finish that just looks like putty. And the traditional greenhouse would have been a putty finish, but everybody knows the difficulty with putty. Birds eat it. It's labour intensive. It's not the way to go forward. But it also traps the moisture on the outside and the rebate. This sill on this frame is beveled, on the sash is beveled, and the condensation that's coming down the inside runs out below this aluminium bead. The system is designed to let airflow around the sash, around the glass, and keeping everything dry over time, which is perfect for a greenhouse.